when you're working with RF and you are wanting to do the face or the neck, I would always recommend using the tripolar handpiece, which has got 3 prongs, right? And the reason for that is because you're working with an oscillating electrical current, that current is going from the pole to reach the other pole. But to get to the other pole, it has to go through your skin to reach the other pole, right? So when you're working with a bipolar handpiece, which means 2 of these prongs, that means the current is going from that pole to that pole to that pole. Which means if you accidentally lift it off and you've only got 2 poles, you're going to zap them consistently. You'll zap them all the time. Now, when I worked with the Slimlux machine, I constantly zapped my clients because it was only 2 poles on it. Then I switched over to this machine, which has a handpiece with 3 poles, and it is much less of a chance to zap them, right? Because that pole is going from, the current is going from that pole to that pole to that pole, right? To do that, it goes through the skin. But you basically got 1 in 3 chance, if you lift it off a little bit too much, to zap your client, okay? So that's why it's really good if you use the 3-prong one for the face. And the other thing is, if you're wanting to heat up the skin fast, now remember, you need to get your skin to 39 degrees as fast as you can so that then it starts working, right? So from 39 degrees, it works. Now on the face and the neck, you can't go above 42. So you have to maintain that temperature all the time. To get it to 39 as quick as you can, when I say you're going to have to work slow, I mean slow, not slow like this, I mean slow like this, right? That's how slow you're going to go to start off. And you're going to check it with the thermometer. And that's what you do your first pass, and you might have to do your second pass in that speed as well, that slow speed, to get it up to 39 as quick as you can. Once you've got it to 39, and then you're going to speed up. Okay, that's when you start speeding up, once you get it to that. But to get it to that, first of all, you need to work as slow as a slug.